Satnam. I want to share a meditation with you called heart folding meditation. And it's to clear the subconscious, and it can be a powerful prayer. It's just a few minute meditation. And you will get this as a tool, so you can do it whenever it feels time to connect. So we'll do it in the Kundalini yoga style. So we'll start to tune in. So take your palms together and rub them. Close your eyes. Start to feel the connection between the hands. We'll chant the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo to welcome this creative energy, this divine wisdom, to bow to our teacher within. Great. Take the palms to the heart center. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine. And exhale, release. Again, inhale deeply, hold the breath. Exhale, sigh out, let go of past, future. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale to tune in with Om Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply, hold the breath. And exhale. Relax the hands down to the knees. With the eyes closed, just allow to notice your sensations right now. Inhale and exhale. And then take your hands in front of you, interlace the fingers, one thumb, top of the other, and take them to the level of your solar plexus. And then take the hands a little bit further up to the heart center. And here we'll hold the hands, with the palms facing our heart. And we will have the eyes closed, focus on the tip of the nose. And then allow the eyes to go up to the third eye. And focus there. What we'll do is we will inhale, hold the breath, and mentally vibrate the mantra Har. 45 to 60 seconds. And then exhale. And I just repeat. Great. So come into position. Inhale, hold, vibrate, Har. A few seconds more, hold the breath, inhale a bit more. Exhale. Inhale again. Hold the breath. Vibrate mentally high. Focus on your third eye. Connect with your heart. Last 15 seconds. Inhale a bit more. Oh. A bit more. And exhale. Inhale again. Hold the breath. Vill det här, det creative energy. Sit. Last second. Exhale. And inhale deeply for the last long holding. And then exhale. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. And exhale powerfully. Inhale deeply again. Exhale powerfully. And last time, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, relax the hands to your knees. Allow the breath to flow naturally. Soften the sensations. Notice what's here. Inhale. And exhale. Take the palms together. Rub them again. Get into your heart center. Tune out with 3 long satnams. Connect to our truth. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Sun. Nam. Sat. Nam. Sat. Nam. Sat Nam. May the long time sunshine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way, guide your, guide your. Thank you for being sharing this.